Business plan versus business proposal explained. If you're planning to start a business or pitch to investors, understanding the difference between a business plan and a business proposal is crucial. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between these two documents, why they matter, and when to use each one. These two terms are often used interchangeably, but they serve different purposes. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use both to fuel your business growth. First, let's talk about a business plan. A business plan is a strategic document that outlines the goals of your business, how you plan to achieve them, and the resources required. It's a roadmap for your business's success and helps you stay on track as you grow. Key components include executive summary, a brief overview of your business and mission, company description, what your business does and its goals, market research, understanding your audience, competitors, and industry, products or services, what you're offering and how it adds value, marketing strategy, how you'll attract and retain customers, financial projections, how you plan to make money and manage costs, operational plan, day-to-day operations and management structure. Business plans are essential for internal guidance and are often used when applying for loans or pitching to investors. They provide a detailed roadmap of your business, making it easier for others to see the potential and viability. Now, let's discuss the business proposal. Unlike a business plan, a proposal is a sales document used to persuade potential clients, partners, or investors to take action. It's often written in response to a specific request or to propose a business idea or partnership. Key components of a business proposal include introduction, who you are and the purpose of the proposal, problem statement, the issue your business addresses, proposed solution, how your product or service solves the problem, benefits, why your solution is superior to alternatives, pricing, how much it costs to implement your solution or service. Business proposals are usually shorter and more targeted than business plans. They're meant to convince others to take a specific action, whether it's investing, purchasing, or partnering with you. So, what sets these two apart? Let's break it down. Purpose. A business plan is a comprehensive strategy outlining your business's structure, objectives, and long-term vision. It's a blueprint for success. A business proposal is a persuasive document that addresses a specific need or opportunity. It's designed to get the other party to say yes to your solution. Audience. A business plan is usually intended for investors, banks, or internal management. A business proposal is aimed at potential clients, partners, or sponsors. A business plan is more detailed and strategic, often running 20 to 40 pages or more. A business proposal is typically shorter, ranging from 5 to 10 pages, and is more focused on immediate solutions. Timeframe. A business plan looks at the long-term vision of the business, usually covering 3 to 5 years. A business proposal is focused on the short term, looking at the immediate project or deal at hand. Now, let's talk about when to use each. Use a business plan when you're starting a new business or looking for long-term investment. It's crucial for setting goals and seeking financial support or loans. Use a business proposal when you're trying to sell a service, secure a partnership, or win a contract. If you're already established and looking to expand, a proposal is your go-to tool to close deals. Both a business plan and a business proposal are critical tools for entrepreneurs, but knowing when to use each will make all the difference. A well-crafted business plan helps you map out your future, while a strong business proposal can help you secure opportunities today. So, whether you're launching a new startup or looking to grow, understanding the difference between these two documents will give you a strategic edge. If this video helped you, hit that like button, comment below with your business questions, and subscribe for more expert tips on business growth, strategy, and success.